Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, that's right, I got me a new home theater system, but this is just the amplifier. They hardly sell the home theater systems with the speaker and subwoofer included. That's an outdated notion. Yamaha still sells something like that, but it's nothing compared to this. I mean, not saying anything bad that Yamaha. It's just that those don't really have the high res and all that, but this one specifically has high res audio, 4K HDR, 60p 444, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, DTSX, digital cinema, auto calibration, Bluetooth, S-Force Pro, front surround, DSD, direct stream digital, HDMI, and eARC. And it works with it should work with all the apps, including XM Radio and all the streaming app services. And yeah. Oh, and it's 4K. And I think it's 8K also, if I'm not mistaken, but yeah. And the reason being is because I said I was going to get the computer table, sorry, from Secret Labs. And I was holding off on that because if you look over here, you can see my computer, what am I saying? My TV stand is old. I need to be replacing. This is the old 2008 Denon home theater system with some wax speakers. I got speakers everywhere. Like literally speakers. And this time I'm going to do it the correct way. This time I'm doing the home theater system the correct way. So this does 7.2 channels, 145 watts times 7, including the subwoofer and everything in total. And I'm gonna get the banana plugs for this, the speaker cables for this, and I'm gonna start like a model kit, kind of like one of those Gundam model kits or car model kits that you start fresh, brand spanking new. So I got this, the amp, which is the most important part, and then later I build up to the actual buying the speakers little by little. I saw the price wasn't bad for the speaker system, and and this thing has, I think it's compatible with the Sony app, the Sony Media Player app or something like that. Anyways, speaker cable, banana plugs. This is going to be one heck of a ride. I don't know if I should put all the unboxings to this whole home theater system setup all together into separate videos, one after another, like the home theater system part 1, part 2, part 3. Maybe not, because I usually always buy something else to unbox that's not part of something like, maybe tomorrow I'll end up buying something and it will come the same day tomorrow morning or something like that, because you know how Amazon is or Best Buy. They send sometimes the things too early. You get it and you do the unboxing, but it has nothing to do with the continuation of, let's say, this video. But anyways, let's get it going. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, so the first thing I could pull out, the thing's kind of heavy a little bit. The first thing I'm noticing that I pull out is the remote control. I'm sure it probably comes with batteries somewhere in there with the manual. But you got all your features and buttons here. Your up and downs and all that. Tuning, memory, play, pause, preset, music, movies, 2-inch multi-channel, media box, pairing, amp menu. You basically get a lot of stuff, I think. Features, I mean. That was the remote. Oh, okay, yeah. This would be the other jalopy. So here, this is the antenna. I kind of noticed it at Best Buy that it's not a coaxial port antenna, so you can't connect like your own, you know, you can't connect your own built-in antenna or something. But hey, it's still something. But at the same time, I got over there that HD tuner radio box, so I'm good with that. Here's the batteries, the Sony batteries. They are I think they're double A's or triple A's. Boy, Sony puts tape on everything. Alright, this is the calibration microphone. This is what's going to calibrate everything. Oh, I'm just letting you know, I'm a TV buff and a movie buff. That's why I like home theater systems. Last but not least, all the way at the bottom, is the manual pamphlets, you know, basically your warranties and stuff. Yeah, let's see, this is your limited warranty. This is kind of like how you would, this is like a diagram of how you would set up the theater system. Multi-channel receiver, operating instructions, multi-channel receiver. You know what? This is actually pretty cool. I like this. I'm glad that Sony gives you this, because this is like a reference to me that's going to help me out. Here it tells you all the, here's the reference. You got your front speakers, your center, you got subwoofer, Dolby Atmos speakers. Here they're showing you how to connect things, you know. Oh yeah, here's a better diaphragm. Anyways, you also get this is, I guess you would say, this is like a I guess this is like a warning or something on how to connect your thing, your equipment, so it doesn't break or so you don't short circuit the stuff. Like it tells you the correct way to connect the speaker wire to the speakers and everything, and it tells you about the heat, not to put things on top, so because air has to flow out the air, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. Now for the moment of truth. There it is. Here you got the speaker button, the tuner button, tuning mode, tuning minus, tuning plus. I'm not sure what this button does, or I don't even think that's a button. 2-channel or multi, movie, music, night mode, display, dimmer, Bluetooth button. You got some type of RF sensor there. And then pure direct, not sure what that is. Master volume knob, the beautiful high-res audio sticker logo, nice and shiny, proud. You got your input selector, the power button obviously. One thing that I do love is that I noticed most of these came with like a silver ugly looking phono plug for the headphones, but this one right here, this one has gold plug. And then you got your calibration microphone thing right here. Now if you go around the back, here you have coax, which nobody uses anymore. It says power supply there, but I'm not sure what that's for. TV in, which is optical. This is where the FM antenna goes. Media box in, which would be, I guess, your Comcast cable box. Blu-ray DVD goes in here. Satellite cable in here, and one of your game consoles here. Now you gotta note, this only has 4 plugs, HDMI ports. The other ones and the more higher ones, because this one was $449, it was on sale, but the more expensive, the $700 ones, they have like 6 ports or more of HDMI. Oh yeah, and then here you got your audio inputs, you know, your typical standard RCAs. So satellite CD in, Blu-ray DVD in, satellite cable TV in, and regular TV in. Subwoofer out. So this would be if you want 2 subwoofers. You don't really need that many subwoofers unless you have a gigantic room. So here you got this right here. I call these the screw-ons because I don't really know the name for these. These, you unscrew them and you slide the cable through here, but that's unprofessional. I don't like that. I'm gonna buy the banana plugs, which are gonna go in through here. Banana plugs look like phono cables, like phono plugs, I mean, sorry. It's much easier. And then here I'm buying banana plugs for these different ones too, for these kinds also. So you got, so here you got your front right speaker, your left front speaker, you got your center speaker, your surround right speaker, your surround left speaker, and then these that say surround back height front B by amp are typically, it doesn't say it there, but typically these are for your Dolby Atmos speakers, which are going to be 2 of them. So you connect both of them here, and then these Dolby Atmos speakers that go here go on front of the front standing speakers in the front, which shoot up, giving you that Dolby Atmos sound. And well, that's about it. There's really nothing else in the box. Empty. Oh yeah, of course. Everyone knows this. Your typical power supply, depending on where country you live. Oh yeah. Here, this is the TV ARC. So here you connect your consoles, your HDMI consoles, and here you send that out to the TV, kind of like a sound bar. In a way, typically. Not mostly, but typically almost. Because the sound bar won't have all these HDMI ports in back of the sound bar. You're basically gonna have TV ARC input. So TV ARC input, so an HDMI input from the TV, and then sending it back out or something is pretty magnificent. Technology is just getting so good. And it says here, I don't know if that means anything, but class 2 wiring, impedance 6.16, and here it's been inspected. So basically this is a modern system. This is the most modern you're gonna find. There's nothing higher than this. Well. There's another model that was $799 that was higher than this, but I wasn't gonna buy that one yet. I said I'll get that one later on in the future. Besides, this is the middle class. You got your $300 basic class, you got this middle class, and your $700 class. I got this one because, I'll get that other one later. I got this at Best Buy, by the way, which I'll be linking. The link to everything I buy is always down in the description, down on the link. So if any of you guys get interested and excited with whatever I unbox, you could also buy it as well before it sells out. And here would be the model and everything, in case any of you guys want to know more information about this. On the sides, normal. As you can see, this gigantic beast from 2008 compared to this modern stylish thing, we're doing good. We're doing good. And well, guys, thank you for always liking and sharing my YouTube episodes. And always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you on the next one.